Welcome back, my friends. It's Mr. An in the world of toys, and this is the video of the semifinals of the King of the Ring tournament. I will be in the broadcast position for you. Therefore, let's go with the ring announcer, our Finkel. Ladies and gentlemen, Larry Zbyszko receive a bye and advances on the finals of the King of the Ring tournament. Yes, my friends, Larry Zbyszko go to the finals, ready to become the new king. Ladies and gentlemen, the following contest is the last matchup of the semifinals of the King of the Ring tournament. Introducing first, from Greenwich, Connecticut, weighing 246 pounds, Hunter Hearst Helmsley. And his opponents from Williamsburg, New Jersey, weighing 401 pounds, the New Jersey Giants, Gorilla Monsoon. Here we go, my friends. We are ready for the last match of the semifinals, and the winner will face Larry Zbyszko in the finals. Next video, my friends. Therefore, subscribe. Here we go. Gorilla Monsoon Avalanche against Hunter Hearst Helmsley. Power slam by the Super Heavyweight. Remember, in the first round, Gorilla Monsoon defeat Demolition Axe, and the second round defeat the Super Heavyweight Mabel. And now against Helmsley, cover 1, 2, kick out by Hunter Hearst Helmsley, or aim by Helmsley, another one, Monsoon in trouble, the Super Heavyweight in trouble against Helmsley, try to make that particularly, no, head back by Gorilla Monsoon, big splash, cover, 1, 2, 3, yes, the Super Heavyweight Gorilla Monsoon advances in the final. Ladies and gentlemen, your winners is Gorilla Monsoon. Yes, my friends, in the next video on the finals of the King of the Ring tournament, Gorilla Monsoon will face Larry Zbyszko. Yes, my friends, this is the end of the semifinals of the King of the Ring tournament, but don't forget, share this video on social media, like, leave a comment, subscribe. Remember, listen, you can find also the first round of the quarterfinals, and it's coming also the finals, therefore don't go away. Subscribe, and so long, everybody.